He's lost her. He's that disinterested in her. Who's that? Who's that?
Hang on, let me shut this so that we can get a good go.
I don't think he's going to go for the cat at all. Mum would have killed it by now.
Oh, good boy, Angus. I'm Charlie. Keep calling you Angus. Do you want some ham, Bailey? Hmm?
Who's that? Who's that?
Here, Belle.
Who's that?
Let me find you something.
He's got no interest whatsoever.
He's so calm, isn't he, for a pup?
Yeah. He has his mad moments, but he's very, very good.
Here.
He's got a bit dirty too. Oh, but they look lovely, two little white things together.
Good boy. I think you say you passed your cat test,
I
though.
think you have. He's just not interested. Yeah, who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Good boy.
Yeah, who's that?
Good boy, Charlie.
Oh,
Here, let me.
lovely kitty. Well, I'm gonna bring others over if I need a cat test done.
Yeah, but it, you know. Here, Charlie. Charlie, no, don't take it off the cat. Good boy.
Oh.
Good